Sanibonani, hope your weekend ngiphethe kahle. Hayi mina ngizipholele, ngisoshabeni ngempela. Phole inhloko.
Guysini, umayeni uthi uphole enhloko. Now she posted this video on TikTok. Hello guysini, and welcome back to another episode where we are unpacking Othando Nesithembu. Now guysini, as you have seen the video, umayeni uthi nje yena uphole enhloko. Now I think this came after uMosamseleku eposte esethombe sikamayeni ku Instagram, and I think umayeni is trying to hint at something here. Umayeni kahle kahle uthi, wow, I could be wrong. Kodwa ngathi uthi yena benoMosamseleku sebehlukene because uthi useshabeni guys, yini uthi lalela udinga ukuyophola, udinga ukuyophumuza ikhanda oshabeni as the place to be. And I love that for Umayeni guysini. I really do love Umayeni, and I hope all of us can have Oshabeni. Guys, let me tell you, the way Oshabeni is trending on TikTok, wonke umuntu nje uthi lalela, if you need peace of mind, if you need peace, Oshabeni is the place to be. Oshabeni as the place to be. Now guys, this week or on tonight's episode of Othando Nesithembu, we are definitely going to see birthday kaMosamseleku. Finally guys, on the previous episode they've been talking about birthday kaMosamseleku, and finally we are going to see it come to life. We've been waiting for a birthday kaMosa. Now guys, one thing about this family, especially season 8, they would never not give us drama. They will never not give us drama. Lalela, drama is one thing that is promised and guaranteed on the Mseleku household. As per usual, birthday kaMthombeni kuzoba ne drama. It seems guys, because on this picture here sibona engathi kuhleli umayeni nabantu bakubo, so it seems like umayeni is accompanied by her family. Okay, now guys, it seems that they are wives who will not be able to make it either on time or not make it at all. Guysini, and let me tell you, it's so scary ukuthi uMakhumalo actually ekhulunywa ngaye la useyafonelwa ke manje uMakhums kuza ukuthi ukuphi nani. I'm like, hey, ngaze nginervous for uMakhumalo guysini, for uMakhumalo not to prioritize birthday kaMosa. It's scary on its own, you know, it's very scary. You would expect uMangwabi ukuthi efikele late, you get, because that's what she has been doing on the previous season. Or you will expect uMayeni ukuthi nje vele ethi hey mina nje indaba yododi ye-birthday angingeni. Not uMakhumalo guys, not uMakhumalo. uMakhumalo legit, she was one wife who prioritizes her husband, and I think it has come to a place where honestly uMakhumalo is trying to evaluate her priorities, and maybe she's trying to give more back to herself than she has been giving to Umusa. And all that is scary. Like guys, I'm sorry, but it is so scary, and I think Umusa should be scared as well to just 360-10 Kamakhums guys. 360-10 Kamakhums. It's not of a normal person, you know. Normal people do not normally just do that 360-10 for nothing, out of nowhere, no valid reason whatsoever, just because they can, you know, just because they can do a 360-10. So I am very scared and skeptical of uMakhumalo guys. To say I'm scared is even an understatement. I'm scared of Umusa. But yeah guys, birthday did go on. Birthday went on, I think, and there was time now to give speeches, and of course Umnini Umnini would never not give a speech. Umnini was there giving a speech. How cute the young boy is though. So whilst Umnini is giving a speech, it seems like Umnini just could not hold back his tears. Baby boy dropped into tears, talking about how he was hurt watching his father sick, how he loves his father, how he thinks his father is the best person. I'm like, oh, Munini, I am so sorry that you are going through all this. Just feeling so traumatized as a child. Guys, honestly speaking, I think in your 50s is when you must prioritize peace more than anything. To see ukuthi uMusa is holding a 50th birthday and his life is dramatic at the age of 50. Angeke guys, at this point sizobulawa drama because like I don't understand why he couldn't accept ukuthi perhaps he could have gotten his fifth wife when he was younger. Now that he's older, he's in his 50s, probably some of his wives are also in their early 40s, Makumalo the youngest being in her mid 30s. But I feel like Umusa, honestly shot himself in the foot at this point. I honestly feel that way. I feel like he's the one who loves a drama. He could have just settled for having four wives. 4 wives is a lot. Some men could only dream of having 2, okay? And you achieved 4 in your lifetime. That's a lot on its own. There was definitely no need for number 5. But guess Sana, I may be saying this from the place yoguti I don't understand is Valley. Perhaps there was a need for wife number 5. It's just that I'm saying this from the place yoguti Isembu angis understand. So yeah, guys, Umusa also went out on a lunch date with Umakumalo. Guys, let me tell you, Umusa looks bad. Like health wise, his health looks terrible. When it comes to his health, he looks extremely bad. And even when he was in this meeting with Umakumalo, he's being driven. He now have a driver who drives him around. Makumalo was more like, helping him walk. He looks bad. He honestly looks bad. I don't understand why would a man in this bad state of health would want a 5th wife. I don't. But again, Umusa lana uzoshaya ama consent, of which that I also have, guys, towards Makumalo. I have consent nguMakumalo. Guys, uMakumalo publicly said she supports her husband, Mosamtele Mseleko, for taking a 5th wife. Right? The very same Makumalo have changed. Baby girl have changed her tune. Baby girl does not support Isitembu. Baby girl, not Isitembu, but wife number 5 anymore. Okay? And probably the reasons are wife number 5 uphume esigudini sakaMakhumalo. So therefore it's more like we am tryela kancane because maybe probably uMakhumalo no wife number 5 bayazana because baphume endaweni eyodwa. You get? But still, guys, I don't understand, and I will never sit here and say I understand Makumalo's point of changing Kumusa. Guys, Umakumalo, we saw her going on a lunch with Umbali, and let me tell you, clearly on that lunch, Umakumalo was there to recruit Umbali. Ukuthi lalela, I am on your side now. I'm going to be with you now. This is what we're going to approach. This is how we're going to approach this whole thing. Introduce our wife number 5 in the you get? She was there to recruit. Okay? So now Umusa is like, Lalela Makumalo, I feel like when you have influenced people to change on me. Definitely, I feel the same, guys. Umakumalo does have that influence. She does, and she knows it as well, okay? Let me tell you why she has this influence. Remember, Makumalo was one wife who was supporting Musa. Makumalo was one wife who was so understanding towards Isitembu. Makumalo would be like, oh, mina ngiya understand into engiyiganile Isitembu, so nje ngiya understand angangena understand vele, She's one wife who has been saying those words, over and over again. the very same Makhumalo has now changed. The very same Makhumalo has changed. The very same Makhumalo does not understand Isthembu anymore. The very same Makhumalo is not for Isthembu anymore. Not for Isthembu, does not understand wife number 5. Why am I saying Isthembu? Does not understand wife number 5. She even says things like, what's the rush? Babe, what do you mean, what's the rush? You are the one who was saying, Lalela, wife number 5, it's about time. We've been talking about wife number 5. It's been over years. You've been saying this, right? Now, what's the rush? Hayibo, nango Makhumalo. No, Makhumalo. When I just tell ukuthi unenkinga no wife number 5, at least let us understand ukuthi unenkinga no wife number 5. And in us understanding ukuthi unenkinga no wife number 5, sizo understand ukuthi why have you changed? Because like you have clearly changed, and it's not a night. Honestly, I understand many people are like, yes, Makhumalo, we are so happy for you for finally standing up for yourself, and guys, I am happy for her as well. If she's more vocal this time around, she's not a Yebo Baba kind of wife anymore. I am happy for her, but at least let her not lie to us, okay? Let her not lie to us. Let her tell us the real truth. Why is she now against wife number 5? She has always been supporting Musa, okay? Now, guys, it seems like there is a new topic that they are talking about, Mzumbe, and this one is so scary for me because we all know what Mzumbe because I mean yellow. There are mentions there, considering the province. Those were serious mentions, okay, that were built by the wives and Musa. But all in all, guys, the way but now there is new information, or rather this new thing that has been circulating. It seems like abafazi baka Musa now they want to get their own houses, and this is so scary to me because I'm like, what? Manje kuzoyenzakalani kuloya muzi omkhulu osemzumbe, because it seems like umuntu nomuntu manje usethi usecela ukuyihlalela. Oh no, guys, I'm saying this is a surprise, but it's not. I think it's something that has been coming ukuthi because umayeni ushilo ukuthi yena nje uyafisa ukuthi naye ebe nomuzi wakhe nezingane zakhe ezihlalele yedwa. And I think noThobile naye useyasho manje ukuthi no Musa, thina ngeke sikwazi ukuthi usilandele uwife number 5 uzombeka eMzumbe uthi akahlale nathi eMzumbe, as if siphoqiwe manje ukuhlala nalomuntu wakho wesi5. Thina indlela esifuna ngayo sifuna ukuthi ibe optional lento, sifuna ukuthi sazi ukuthi no sivumelekile ukuthi sihlale no wife number 5 cha, only if we want to. Only if we want to ukuthi sihlale no wife number 5, but we do have other options ukuthi sinawo amanye amakhaya ukuthi makuthi indaba ka wife number 5 vela ayisebenzi, umuntu uyakwazi ukuthi eyimuvele on eyele ekhayeni lakhe engahlali no wife number 5. Yo guys, this is a new topic now because it seems like angazi guys angazi, but it seems like umuzi wasemzumbe manje ke masise kunjalo obviously I think uyaphela umuzi wasemzumbe mangabe sekhambe kwahamba kwaze kwakhulumeka inkulumo enjalo, because guys already ulontusana uMacele usesipark and ushilo ukuthi no uyawufuna naye umuzi wasemakhaya, uyafuna naye kuyohlala emakhaya. So already uMacele usesipark and already umayeni naye usoshabeni guys, umayeni upholile oshabeni. Lalela, I've said this when I was opening this video ukuthi umudinga a peace of mind, location oshabeni. Lalelani guys, location oshabeni iyatholakala ke lapha peace of mind iyatholakala. So, but nonetheless, umayeni I think oshabeni kukubo, and as a grown woman who have kids herself, angeke kwazi ukuhlala kubo forever and forever. At some point, anyone deserves to have their own space. So, at some point, umayeni naye uyasho ukuthi no, use right yena ngomzumbe nkosi yami, use right nje ngomzumbe. At this point, she wants to get her own place. Now, listen, uThobile is now saying the same thing. Yo, I am so worried, guys. This is one thing that just makes me to be worrisome. Like I am worried about about umuzi kaNontusana Kaysini kaMusa, but angazi why ngiwashaya ngomuzi kaMusa ekubeni uMusa himself akawashayanga ngomuzi wakhe, because now abafazi bakhe masebethi hayi sorry shame sorry shuthi nxese. But Tina, we are not going to be part of that, and we just truly apologize. Now we have reached a point where we want to have our own houses, our own stands and all that. For me, guys, it's shocking. It's shocking. So I don't know what the future of Mzumbe lies, okay? But also, guys, Umusa ukuthi naye, he contradicts himself a lot, okay? Uyasho lapho ukuthi eMzumbe ufisa ukuthi abafazi bakhe behlale bonke kuhlalelwane kuphilelwane kube mnandi nani. The very same Musa ubuye uthathe futhi umuzi waseMzumbe ewuphumpumelelo ethi impumelelo uma usuganwa ngifisa ukuthi umfazi wakhe ehlale lana nani. And I'm like, this is very contradicting. It's very contradicting. Okay, because now where does that leaves the other wives available? Especially because Makumalo doesn't even have children yet. Okay, we are hopeful Uguti IVF will come through for us. Okay, but this is very worrisome to other wives, you know, because they don't know their security, where's their future at now. Okay, because you cannot say this is your home, chigi, this is Mpumelel's home now. Like, it doesn't make sense. It does in a way creates fights and makes people not to get along at all. So I think, guys, for me now, at the end of the day, I am just like, guys, esasemzombe is hot, and asazi guys, at this point asazi ukuthi wife number 5 uyangena or uyaphuma. Oh guys, before ngivalelisa nansi ke enye indaba, hayi uMusa phela esipostela wife number 5 ku Instagram athi ho nangu wife number 5 nkosi yami ukhokhomeloni wami ukhokhomeloni. Guys, uMusa guys mdala lo baba, but akanawo amahloni shame, akanawo amahloni at all okwenza izinto ezi-off, akanawo. But nonetheless ke uMusa uyasholana ukuthi ukhokhomeloni wami nkosi yami osazofundiswa umayeni umacele ukupheka. Hayi ke guys, ngithi nje uMusa, the very same Musa have deleted that picture or the post. And guys, at this point, asazi, you know, esasemzumbe guys, esasemzumbe guys, I think at this point, it's safe to say their family have decided to protect and keep their secrets. And indaba zabo angeke nje sithi siyazazi at this point, angeke, as much as they come to us, to our TV screens and claim whatever they want to claim for us, but we are at the point, I am at the point where I understand and get ukuthi indaba zasemzombe angeke ungafa, angeke nje uzuthi no ngiyazazi indaba zasemzombe ngisho ukuthi uA no B no angeke ungafa. So angazi ke guys, there were speculations ukuthi wife number 5 is already pregnant. Some are saying she is with a child. So we are all waiting. At this point, I am waiting to find out how true the allegations are. Wife number 5 is pregnant, or wife number 5 is with a child. But yeah, guys, like I said, indaba zasemzombe bayayiprotecta, yay, abafuni lutho ungafa ngezasemzombe ungafa. But anyway, guys, please do comment down below. Well, what do you think will happen on Musa's party tonight? Do you think all the wives will show up, support Musa, be there, celebrate his 50th birthday, and put all their differences on the side and be able to come together as one and rejoice and celebrate? Or do you think, as always, as per usual, we are going to get drama? Drama is going to be driven on our way, on our force. So yeah, guys, I don't know, please do comments down below and tell us, what do you think will happen actually tonight. Anyway, that's it from me. Now if you do love and enjoy our reviews, you would give this video a huge thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one, when of course